Hi, my name is Sarita, lecturer in Botany, Government Degree College for Women, Nalgonda. Today in this video, I am going to talk about Chamberlain's system of classification of gymnosperms. There are many systems for the classification for gymnosperms. According to Robert Brown in 1827, for the first time recognized gymnosperms as a separate group of plants. Gymnosperms first time recognized as a separate group of plants by Robert Brown in 1827. According to Bentham and Hooker, in 1883, gymnosperms placed between dicots and monocots in their classification. Next, Van Tegum in 1898 gave the status of major divisions to the gymnosperms. Van Tegum also divided the whole spermatophyta. Spermatophyta means seed bearing plants into two divisions. They are gymnosperms, stigmata, and angiosperms, stigmata. Next, Coulter and Chamberlain in 1912 divided the division gymnosperms directly into the 7 orders. They are Cycadophilicales, Cycadophilicales. Second one is Bennetitales. Third one is Cycadales. Fourth one is Carditales. Fifth one is Ginkgoales. Sixth one is Coniferales. Coniferalis. Last one, that is seventh one, is Netalis. According to Chamberlain classification in 1934, gymnosperms mainly divided into two classes. According to Chamberlain, gymnosperms mainly classified into two classes. They are Cycadophyta and Coniferophyta. Cycadophyta and Coniferophyta. Each class divided into orders. Cycadophyta consist of three orders. They are Cycadophilicales, Cycadioidalis, and Cycadales. Next, coming to the Coniferophyta, it consists of four orders. They are Carditalis and Ginkgoales and Coniferalis and Netalis. Cycadophyta class. Coming to the Cycadophyta class. In this class, both Cycadophyta class. In this class, both fossils and living forms are included. Cycadophyta members stem is unbranched and stumpy, leaves are large and pinnately compound. Pinnate leaf is compound leaf, a leaf composed of a number of leaflets on a common stalk. Leaf composed of a number of leaflets on a common stalk, like this. Leaves are large and pinnately compound. Male cones are large and compact with simple microsporophyll. Female cones are loosely packed and each of them is pinnate. Megasporophyll, simple ovules are comparatively large. Stem is with wide cortex. Wood is monoxylic wood. Monoxylic wood is present in this class. In monoxylic wood, xylem tracheids are large, thin-walled and associated with xylem parenchyma with border pits. Many rays are present in this monoxylic wood. Cycadophyta class consists of three orders. They are Cycadophilicales and Cycadioidalis and Cycadales. Coming to the Cycadophyllicales order. The Cycadophyllicales are the cycad ferns. Cycadophyllicales are also called as pteridospermales or seed ferns. Called as seed ferns. Non-living members are present in this order, found only as fossils. Cycadophyllicales members appeared in the Devonian period and abundant in the Carboniferous period. Cycadophyllicales members' anatomy and morphology is similar to that of ferns. Cones are not produced in this Cycadophyllicales. Ovules equal to seeds. Ovules are born on the tip of the leaves. Ovules are born on the leaf margins. Leginopteris is the example of Cycadophyllicales order. Next, second order, that is Cycadeidalis. Cycadeidalis called as Pennititalis. These are appeared in the Triassic period and widely distributed in the Mesozoic era. The plant body of Cycadeidalis resemble of living cycads. Reproduction structures are flowers. Cones are produced in this order. Cone producing plants are present in this Cycadeidalis order. These cones may be bisporangiate or monosporangiate. Williamsonia is example of Pennititalis. Next, third order is Cycadalis. Xerophytic members are present in this order. That means all cycads are xerophytes. The plant body is palm-like in habit and it is very slow growing in nature. Cycadalis member shows short unbranched stem and stem covered with persistent leaf bases. The leaves are pinnately compound and arranged as a terminal and appear like a crown. This stem is called cortex. All cycads are dioecious. It means micro and megasporophyll develop on separate plant. Next, anatropous ovules are present in this order. This anatropous ovule means this ovule is completely inverted ovule, turned back 180 degree. Anatropous ovule. This is the embryo sac. These are the integuments. This one is funicle. This is the microphylar area. This is the embryo sac. This area is chalagal area. Here, chalaza and embryo sac and microphyll present at the straight line and funicle present near to the microphyll. The type of ovule is called anatropous ovule. This ovule is completely inverted ovule turned back 180 on its stack. This is called anatropous ovule. Cycas jamia is the example of this order. Next, second class, that is Coniferophyta. Second class is Coniferophyta. In this class, large branched trees are present. Plant shows cone-like appearance. Simple leaves are present. Coming to the anatomy, pith is very small and pycnoxylic wood is present in this class. Male and female cones are compact and contain complex sporophylls. This Coniferophyta class consists of 4 orders. They are Cardietalis, second is Ginkgoalis, third is Coniferalis, and fourth one is Netalis. Coming to the Cardietalis, this Cardietalis Cardiatelis are the early conifers, occur as fossil. This order Cardiatelis members appeared during the Carboniferous period. These Cardiatelis members were tall trees with star-shaped leaves. These Cardiatelis members were tall trees with star-shaped leaves. Mesoxylon Cardiates is the example of this order. Mesoxylon belongs to this Cardiatelis order. Next order is Ginkgoalis. Ginkgoalis, this order consists of only one extant genus with one species, that is Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba is a living fossil and it is commonly called as maidenhair tree. This ginkgo biloba belongs to China. That means ginkgo biloba is native to China. Leaves are broad, bilobed with dichotomous veining. Next, third order is Coniferalis. These Coniferalis are mostly evergreen trees. This order is the largest order of gymnosperms with living forms. Plant shows xerophyte adaptations. Trees shows needle-like and spirally arranged leaves. Large number of resin canals present in the wood. Monoecious or dioecious plants are present in this order. Coming to the pollination occurs through wind. Pinus and Taxus trees belongs to Coniferous order. Next order is Natalis. The Natalis order contains shrubs or woody climbers. Natalis order. In this Natalis order, shrubs and woody climbers are present. Natalis members are morphologically similar to that of angiosperms. Natalis are the only gymnosperms having wood with vessels. Two catalidans embryo is present in this order and resin canals are absent in the wood. These Natalis are considered as the connecting link between gymnosperms and angiosperms. Netum belongs to this order. This is about Chamberlain's system of classification of gymnosperms. Thank you.